Welcome to my channel, you guys. As you guys can see right here, I have a wall ladder shelf, and I'm going to show you guys what it took for me to actually assemble this. It wasn't easy. And where I'm going to decide to put this at. My name is Anthony, and this is another episode of Whatcha-Ma-Call-It and Thinga-Ma-Jig. Here we go. So let's go ahead and start. So I need D, C, and E. Okay. All right. So go ahead and put number 2 in here like that. And go ahead and put that in there like that. And now I can screw in number 1. So I need a Phillips screwdriver for this one. Make sure that's tight. Okay, so let me get number 2 again. Stick that in there. Stick that inside of C. Now get E. Get E and put that in there like that. Okay, here we go. All right, so I have that. Okay, so I got that one. So now I need F, C, G. So we're gonna do the same thing again. Okay, so I have F, number 2 goes here. Connect that to C. And how I know that it goes like that, because see how that hole is bigger? So that hole goes right there. Okay, so I have that tight. Okay, so I'm gonna get number 2 again, but this time put that in G. Go ahead and connect G to C. Make sure that is aligned properly before I tighten it up. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do H, C, I. And we're gonna do this again. So put the 2 in there, connect it to another C. Okay. Go ahead and do this again. Get another 2, connect it to C. Connect the C, other side of C to I. Get another screw. Okay, so that's 3. All right, so I need to get K for this one. All right, so I need 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, here we go. So now go ahead and connect. Connect K to the railings. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and screw these in. Okay, so that was that one. Goodness. All right, so now the next one. I need L for the next one. So I need to do the same thing. Okay. Whew. All right. The last one in this set, I need to use M to connect this last one. This one right here. Doo doo boo boo boo. Okay, here we go. Now, second chapter with this N. Dang, this thing is big. Why I need that for this big old thing? is hard. Okay, that one is hard. Maybe because my hands are sweating. My hands are sweaty. Okay, so now what I gotta do is align these up backwards like this. Okay, so go ahead and align these up like this. Go ahead and get A and B. So this goes on the outside or the inside? I think it goes on the outside. Okay. Okay, this one is tricky because you have to unscrew this, right? Then stick this in here like this. But this has to go, see the hole? I still have to put it here. I still have to put this in here at the bottom. You see it at the bottom right there? Still have to put it right here at the bottom. And hopefully it'll catch it. Let's see if I caught it. I think I have. I think I did. Yep, I did. Oh. All right, so I gotta do this. Gotta do this 5 more times. All right, so stick this in first. Okay. now. Now. Okay. So this is the last chapter. The last ones. All right, now I gotta unscrew it a little bit. Unscrew it a little bit. Unscrew it a little bit. Unscrew it. Unscrew it. Unscrew it a little bit. Unscrew it. Unscrew it a little bit. What? Oh my God. Unscrew it. Unscrew it. Unscrew it a little bit. Boom, 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 boom. Alrighty, so it is done. Here we go. Alright, so it's time for me to go ahead and show you guys where I'm going to put this at. And I decided to go ahead and let it be in the bathroom. So I'm going to put it right there. All right, you guys, so I'm going to put it right here over the toilet. This is going to go ahead and conclude this video. I would like to thank all of you guys for checking out my video. And please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and please comment below if you guys have any questions. Thank you so much. Peace.